Hello, I'm Dr. Robert Brown with Elite Chiropractic in Bloomington, Illinois, and today I have the distinct pleasure of introducing one of our favorite patients here. This is Jody. Jody is awesome, and we were just talking a few minutes ago about the amazing results that you've had. So we talked about when you came in, you were having headaches several times a week, and I want you to tell the audience where you're at now with those headaches.
Well, I was having headaches probably more often than not throughout the whole week, and just a dull headache, and I knew it was somewhere like with my shoulders or my neck. Wasn't sure if it was something that my posture, my everyday posture, or if it was something that the way I sit at my desk all day. And I knew that I needed to do something different because I was taking ibuprofen almost daily, and I knew that was not healthy. I had never thought about chiropractic type of care before until just recently, and I thought, I'm going to try it. I had so many of my friends and coworkers had been going to you, and I thought, well, I'll try it and see what happens. And night and day, completely.
That is so awesome.
I hardly take any ibuprofen. I don't have the dull headaches every day. It amazed me because I was very skeptical about it.
Right,
I came in very
remember.
skeptical, so I'm amazed. It's night and day.
I love to hear that. I mean, that's why we're in business. This is why we do what we do. So
Yeah.
I'm as thrilled as you are.
Yes.
And and it can be the difference. I mean, when you say it's night and day, it can be the difference between sleeping at night or not sleeping at night.
Sure.
Just your quality of life.
It's a lot different.
Oh, it's huge.
Yes, and it saved on our bill of buying, over-the-counter medicine.
Right. So awesome. Well, thank you so much for that, Jody.
Thank you.
Yeah. And if you're ready, let's go ahead and get
All
you
right,
adjusted.
let's go.
All right, so we're going to put you face down. And so I'll probably provide a little bit of narrative here just so that you and the audience can kind of follow along and see what we're doing, what we're adjusting. I will tell you, we do a number of different techniques in the office. So I always tell patients, if there's something that you really like or really don't like, just let us know because we can usually find 5 different ways to adjust the same thing. It's going to press right here. And that evened you out perfectly, so we're going to do a drop over your right SI joint. Hey, is that sore right there?
Yeah, it is.
All right, let's have you lay on this side and face me. So we're going to straighten the bottom leg. Let's bring this one right over here. And we'll pull this out here. And just a very light drop here. Beautiful.
Yeah, that was good.
Have you face the other direction. Bottom leg straight.
Okay.
Bring this one over here. Let's hold it right there. Okay, let's reposition right there. Just a light drop. Let's have you on your back. Okay, you're going to put your left arm over the right arm and then give yourself a tight squeeze. You feel that right in there?
Yes.
So we're going to adjust that one. Beautiful.
Wow.
Is that tender right in there?
No, it's okay.
Okay, I'll have you come over to the chair. And have you slide down a couple of inches. So normally on your x-rays we see that T1 is left rotated, meaning we need to adjust this spot right here. When I poke on it, you feel how that's tender?
Yes, I do.
So that'll be our first one. So we're going to tuck the chin in, let it fall against my stomach, fall to the left, real gentle. Beautiful. And then because you have a history of headaches, we want to make sure we adjust C1. Is that tender in there?
A little bit. bit. Not too bad, though. It is a little bit.
Just going to jut your chin forward like this. That feels pretty good up there today. Is that real tender right there?
A little bit.
Okay.
It is.
It's a lot better than it has been.
Oh, yeah.
Let it fall to the right. Okay, lift your chin. Beautiful. And that should do it.
Great.
So if we can ever help you out, please give us a call. Our office number is 309-663-9900. Have a great day.